Alrighty guys, we made it here to our new farm estate. Dang, son.
What is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goonzquad garage, and today we're going to continue preparing for our brand new build. And as you guys seen in the previous video, we did some epic things to...
The Goonzquad Secret Office has been a topic of conversation among their fans for quite some time. Many have speculated what the inside looks like and what kind of equipment they use to make their videos. Recently, a video was released that gave viewers a glimpse inside the office. To everyone's surprise, there was a table tennis table in the middle of the room. This revelation left many wondering if the office was everything they expected it to be. Before we dive into the specifics of the office, it's important to understand the Goonzquad brand. Goonzquad is a YouTube channel that focuses on rebuilding and customizing cars. Their videos are known for their high-quality production value and entertaining personalities. The channel has gained a massive following over the years, with millions of subscribers tuning in to watch their latest builds. Fans have become invested in the lives of the two brothers behind the channel, and many are eager to learn more about them. The video that revealed the table tennis table also showed off other parts of the office. There were desks with computers, cameras, and microphones set up for filming. The walls were lined with posters of cars and inspirational quotes. While the office wasn't exactly what fans expected, it was clear that the Goonzquad team had put a lot of thought and effort into creating a space that worked for them. The table tennis table was likely a way for them to take a break and blow off steam between long hours of filming and editing videos. The presence of a table tennis table may seem trivial, but it actually speaks to the importance of work-life balance. The Goonzquad team works long hours filming and editing their videos, which can be mentally and physically exhausting. Having an outlet like table tennis allows them to take a break and recharge their batteries. It also fosters a sense of camaraderie and teamwork, which is important when working on projects as intense as rebuilding cars. The reveal of the table tennis table was a surprise to fans, but it was also a clever marketing move. It generated buzz and got people talking about the Goonzquad Secret Office. Surprise is a powerful tool in marketing because it grabs people's attention and makes them curious. By keeping their office a secret for so long, the Goonzquad team built up anticipation and excitement among their fans. The table tennis table was just the icing on the cake. In conclusion, the Goonzquad Secret Office may not have been what fans expected, but it was still an impressive space. The table tennis table added a fun and unexpected element to the office, while also highlighting the importance of work-life balance. The surprise reveal of the office also showed the power of marketing and how anticipation and curiosity can be used to build excitement around a brand. Overall, the Goonzquad Secret Office is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Goonzquad team.